So if FaceTime is not working on your iPhone, here is the fix. So the very first fix is that make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network, and make sure that internet is working properly. Second thing is just go to settings, okay, and now scroll down and find FaceTime. Tap on it, and now make sure that it is turned on. Okay, also make sure that your phone number is selected, okay, and not your email ID. If you also select email ID, then you can be contacted by both ways. You can be searched on FaceTime by both ways. Okay, now if this does not work, then what you can do, you can force restart your iPhone. So for doing a force restart, what you can do, you can press the volume up button once, down button once, and then press and hold the right side key unless it forcefully restart itself. So let me do it quickly. Up button, down button, and then pressing the right side key, this screen will appear, and after you hold it for a particular period of time, after that the Apple logo will appear at the center of the screen. At that point of time, you can leave the right side key, and that's it. You have forcefully restarted your iPhone, and now try again whether your FaceTime is working or not. Now if this does not work, let's move to the next method to fix the FaceTime not working issue in your iPhone. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just go to settings, okay, and now once you go to setting, this setting homepage, so sorry, once you go to setting, this setting homepage will open up. Now scroll down and find FaceTime, okay, tap on it, and now here you will find a blue link of your email ID, Apple ID. Tap on it and tap on sign out, okay, and now again tap on it and sign in using your Apple ID, okay. Enter your Apple ID email and password, okay, and sign in again, and your problem will be fixed. If this does not get fixed, what you can do, you can force quit the FaceTime app. So just force quit it and start it again. Now see if it works or not. If this also does not work, let's move to another fix, and that is just go to settings and just go to general and just go to date and time, and make sure it is automatically set to auto, otherwise time will be incorrect and FaceTime may not function properly. So that's it guys, please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.